Hi, welcome to another episode of the Hannah and Anisha Show. I'm Hannah.
I'm Anisha.
We're in the airport right now going to Disney World for Sarah and Annie's birthday. Here she is. Hi, Sarah.
So you're on the Hannah and Anisha Show. Do you have any questions you want to ask us?
Post that, I'm gonna kill you.
We're posting it on YouTube, don't worry.
Okay.
It's a regular thing. But this is a special episode since we are in the airport currently, and we just thought it would be a really cool idea.
Duh.
Big deal.
Yeah, so like we're gonna go to Disney World and it's gonna be like
So yeah,
awesome.
It's Halloween, BT Dubs, and it was just a ballin' day. It was like the great. So you're not even in it. It was the most amazing day of my entire life.
Oh, P.S. We're going with our other friends. I mean, like we already introduced you to Sarah, but this is Kaylin.
Hi. Brady.
And that's Mrs. Henry.
Down. There you go.
Okay.
She's our favorite. I love her.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's all for now.